Every 92 seconds, someone in the United States is sexually assaulted. Victims of these crimes can often feel alone, scared, and confused. But the Alachua County Rape Crisis Center is working to help victims navigate the aftermath of sexual violence. It's one of the many different ways that the Alachua County Community Sports Services Department is working for you. At the monthly Coalition Against Sexual Violence meeting, local agencies including law enforcement, the Alachua County Rape Crisis Center, the State Attorney's Office, and the medical community work together to ensure that when a victim comes forward, they are treated with respect and dignity. These agencies have specifically trained staff to help guide them through the process and remind them that they are not alone. From the very beginning of the process, a victim advocate is there to help.
Victim advocates, essentially, our job is to follow a survivor all the way through the process. We're there to support them, to help answer questions, to try to guide them to any resources that they might need. Really, we're there to make sure that in the wake of a crime that can make you feel like you don't have any power, our job is to help you feel like you have power again.
We're open 24/7 via our hotline, our helpline, or Monday through Friday at our main office. And so it's important, I think, for people to know that they can always come to our agency and get a sense of what their options are, get a sense of what they can do after they've been assaulted. They can learn more about our services, whether it's a support group, individual counseling, if they need medical treatment and they don't want to go to the hospital by themselves. So really just knowing that there's support available and it's free and it's confidential to them.
Victims can receive a free medical exam within 5 days of a sexual assault at any local emergency room. While reporting to law enforcement is not required, this exam can preserve crucial evidence. A victim advocate can accompany the victim to the exam to provide support during the process.
We encourage you to come in as quickly as possible after the assault, and we'll work with you and make you feel comfortable and let you set the pace for the exam.
It's important for victims of sexual assault to know that sexual assault nurse examiners are specifically trained to handle these cases, with 40 hours of coursework specifically dedicated to sexual assault education. These cases are handled with extreme confidentiality, and the pace is dictated by the patient. We're going to do what we need to do for you.
Should a victim decide to move forward with reporting to law enforcement, both the Alachua County Sheriff's Office and the Gainesville Police Department have officers who are specifically trained in interviewing victims of sexual violence using the trauma-informed method.
Trauma-informed is understanding that there is no normal way to react to a sexual assault. There is no textbook reaction for a victim, and there's no textbook way that a case is going to be resolved. So through the trauma-informed approach, we try to be mindful of a victim or survivor's needs and move the case at their pace.
Something that I would like survivors of sexual assault to understand is that when they do have the courage to come forward and report what happened to them, that in doing so, that I understand that what they went through was something terrible. And this is not an interview that I would be doing like as if I was talking to a suspect or a witness in a case. This is specifically designed for the survivor of the sexual assault.
It is very important to our office that we take into account what the victim thinks about the case and their desires for where the case goes after this point. And so usually we'll have a conversation describing what the potential outcomes of the case are, our thoughts on the case if we're able to give them, and as much as we can, give an outline of what will happen next.
The Alachua County Rape Crisis Center is a free, confidential resource. Victim advocates are available 24/7 via their hotline or Monday through Friday at their offices in the Alachua County Health Department building.